Hello, my name is Alexander Castillo Moreno, and on this occasion, I would like to introduce my daughter. Her, her name is Mariana Castillo Cho. She is 14 years old. She is Colombian. She is live in Bogota, Colombia. She is currently in 8th grade. Despite her young age, Mariana is very mature. She has clear goals in life and the community to the her student and her sport. Mariana practices speed skating. She has been training for 8 years and complements and training with cycling. She trains from Monday and Saturday every week. She she is a dedicated student and athlete. Mariana wants to study lands and social communication at the university. She is interested in lands research and social work thanks to her love for reading. She is about to turn 15 years old and very excited about her pretty party, pretty party with her skating friends and family. She is preparing for finish 8th grade and start 9th grade. Mariana is preparing for the Pan American Speed Skating Championship in the June 2026 in Medellin, Colombia. In her free time, Mariana enjoys reading books